Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Halloween quest on Impress. So go to the quest, you're going to turn right here, and you're going to enter this room, and you're just going to rub this lamp. Then you're just going to walk here to the right, and you're going to go in this room, and you're going to go to the mirror and press the E. You'll need to find the raven, okay? So the first raven, you'll need to go up these stairs to the very top floor. And you'll need to put the statues facing you. So if it doesn't face you, you'll need to rotate it. So here I'm just checking if it's all facing me. That's great. So I'm just going to go there, and I'm just going to make it so the statues face my way. Okay, perfect. Okay, this isn't facing me, so I'm just going to turn it. And again, until it's facing me. There we go. And the raven will be in the middle statue, the one near the stairs. You're going to grab the raven and you're going to go down to put it in the cage to the very right. Well, from my point of view, like here. Then you're going to play hide and seek with this raven over here. Get one there, and then the next one is up here, I think. And then one will be here, I think. Or do I still have to play hide and seek with it? Oh, never mind. There we go. And then place it on this one. Lastly, you are going to go backstage to the left. Then you're going to see that there is a mini obby here. Get the raven. Here. Okay, cool. Okay, and then when you're here, you're just going to go up the stairs to the left, and then you're going to go in this room, and you'll be able to get this key. And then you're just going to go down, and you're going to open this door to the last challenge. Lock it. So once you're in this room, you can see that there are some papers with drawings and numbers, and you're going to want to screenshot that because it's important to put the book in that order. So for instance, this symbol is this book here, and then basically it means it goes in the fourth slot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so you're just going to put it in the fourth one. It's different for every game, so obviously the order is going to be different from my video, so you're going to want to memorize that yourself, unfortunately. Also, if you are near the monster, you can hear your heart beating fast, so you're just going to run and hide behind a bookshelf. And then to find the books, you're going to listen to a twinkling sound, and that means you're near the book, and it's very visible. I did this myself on the first try, so I'm pretty sure you guys can do this too. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!